much you're gonna get for them?
How much do you think those kittens are worth? Tell me. Whoa.
It's hard to tell. How do you put a price tag on a cat?
Good question.
Good question. What do you think? Are they worth hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars?
$100.
$100?
$100? That's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, that's not a bad deal.
That's a good deal for a friend for life. $100. But I'm thinking we can go a little higher than that. I'm thinking like 500.
Maybe 100 and a half.
159 half.
159? Yeah, that's a good round number. Just call it $159. And if you buy two, you get a $50 discount.
Yes. Good call, Joel. Good call.
Let's throw that in there. Throw that into the mix.
What are you doing, kiddo? You gonna do some
Are you
art?
taking a video with that?
Yeah.
How long can you do that for?